70,000 years ago, every human on Earth lived in one place, Africa. If you were alive then, you had never seen snow, never seen Europe, never seen Asia, because none of us had left yet. Then a small group did, and almost everyone alive outside Africa today descends from them. At that time, humans were not dominant. We were vulnerable. Climate conditions were unstable. Drought cycles were intense. Food sources shifted. Genetic evidence suggests the total human population may have dropped dangerously low. Some researchers estimate only a few thousand breeding individuals remained. If that number had fallen slightly further, our species might not exist. Some groups began drifting east, not as a planned migration, just gradual movement, following animals, following rivers, adapting. Eventually, some reached the southern edge of the Red Sea. Today, we call this crossing the Bab-el-Mandeb Strait. But at the time, it was simply water and land visible beyond it. Here's what makes this moment critical. Sea levels were lower during the Ice Age. The distance between Africa and Arabia was shorter, still dangerous, but crossable. We don't know exactly how they crossed, but we know they did, because their DNA appears outside Africa soon after, and that changes everything. After crossing, they didn't rush inland. Instead, evidence suggests they followed coastlines. This is known as the coastal migration model. Coastal environments offered consistent food, shellfish, fish, tidal pools. Unlike inland hunting, the coast provided stability, and stability allows population growth. Now here's the part most people underestimate. This was not a massive migration. It may have been a relatively small group, which means most non-African humans today may descend from a surprisingly limited number of individuals. That's a bottleneck event, a narrow branch in the human family tree, and you are on that branch. They weren't explorers. They weren't trying to discover new land. They were adapting to environmental pressure. Each generation moved slightly further, small distances, seasonal shifts, new camps. Over time, that gradual movement expanded across southern Arabia, into South Asia, and eventually across the planet. 70,000 years ago, humans lived in one region. Today, we live everywhere.